Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage who can add you to groups on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! To manage who can include individuals in Instagram groups, adjusting privacy setting is necessary. By taking control of your privacy settings, you can ensure that only trusted contacts have the power to add you to group. This is particularly important due to privacy concerns surrounding social media platform. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. And then you can tap on your profile. Tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Tap on Messages and Story Replies. Tap on Message Controls. You can see there's who can add you to groups. You can tap on that. Now you can change the settings from everyone on Instagram to only people you follow on Instagram. So, you can't be added to groups by anyone you don't follow. People you don't follow and haven't blocked will know that you don't allow everyone to add you to groups if they try to. So, that is how to manage who can add you to groups on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!